Use the spell check tool to check for correct punctuation in Microsoft Word. Checking manually. Look over your document for red and green underlines. Right-click to see suggestions. You should see a list of suggested correct alternatives to your word or phrase. You will also have the option to ignore or ignore all. Choose the right fix. Click on the suggestion that seems right, and the program will automatically replace the misspelled word with its correct counterpart. Changing the grammar settings. In Word, click the File tab, then Options. From there, click Proofing. Select Settings from the list below when correcting spelling and grammar in Word. You can tell Spell Check to look out for several common punctuation errors. Check for a comma before the last list item. This is often called the Oxford comma. Choose Don't Check if you don't want the grammar checker to flag any sentences based on commas. Look out for punctuation outside of quotes. Under Punctuation Required with Quotes, choose one of the following. Don't check. Word will not flag any phrases based on quote and punctuation interaction. Inside, Word will flag phrases inside quotation marks when a corresponding comma is outside those quotation marks. Outside, Word will flag phrases inside quotation marks where the corresponding comma is also inside the quotation marks. Check for spaces between sentences. Word can flag sentences that have too many or too few spaces after them. Choose one of these options. Choose Don't Check if you don't want the grammar checker to flag any phrases for their spacing. 1. Space. Word will flag any sentences with more than one space between them and the following sentence. 2. Spaces. The grammar checker will flag sentences that have either a single space or more than 2 spaces after the period. Click on the Review tab. Click Spelling and Grammar. It will run, checking the spelling and grammar of the whole document. If there are any punctuation mistakes, this tool will generate a pop-up box with options for corrections. Review the correction suggestions for each word. For each grammatical mistake, the pop-up box will give you several suggestions. You'll also have the option to ignore all, or add to dictionary. Choose the right fix for each punctuation error. If you misspelled the word in multiple places, click Change All to fix them all at once. Click the OK to finish the check when prompted. If you found this video helpful, please click the like button and subscribe to our channel for even more helpful tutorials.